M115 Abstract Algebra. Good day, I'm Hazel Estadillo from BSEd Math 3B. Project number 1, show that the set of moves in your geometric model forms a group structure. So today, we will talk about my geometric model, which is, I call this Hazel Fidget Spinner. So bakit nga ba Hazel? So pinalitan ko lang ng 8 yung A sa pangalan ko. Kasi nga meron siyang 8 sides. So, a fidget spinner or hand spinner is a toy that consists of a ball bearing in the center of a multi-lobe flat structure made from metal or plastic with metal weights in the lobes, designed to spin around its central axis. Fidget spinners became very prevalent trending toys in 2017. So, kumbaga, wala akong actual na laruan mismo na fidget spinner. Kumbaga, print ko lang yung picture na to and then ito yung ginawa kong model. So, ito yung set natin. So, J sub 16, and yung mga elements nito is age, A, Z, E, L, S, T, D, O, M, N, C, P, I, X, R. And ito yung itsura ng front of the model. So, age, A, Z, E, L, S, T, D, and for the back of the model, meron tayong O, P, C, I, M, R, and X. So, ito yung mga moves. So, from the front of the model, we have age, do nothing. A, rotate 315 degree clockwise. Z is rotate 270 degree clockwise. E, rotate 225 degree clockwise. L, rotate 180 degree clockwise. S, rotate 135 degree clockwise. T, rotate 90 degree clockwise. And for D, rotate 45 degree clockwise. And from the back of the model, we have O vertically. By the way, the back of the model is, yung mga moves nito is more on flipping. So, O is flip vertically, M is flip horizontally, N is flip right diagonal, C is left diagonal, P is flip vertical and left diagonal, I is flip between horizontal and left diagonal, X is flip between vertical and right diagonal, R between horizontal and right diagonal. So, more on flipping tong back of the model. So, ito yung guide for moves. So, para mas mapadali yung process, gumawa ko ng guide. Ito siya. And, ito yung actual na video kung paano nga ba i-rotate yung mga moves sa front of the model. Front of the model. So, we have age, do nothing. So, ganyan lang siya. Mag-i-stay lang siyang ganyan. For letter A, rotate 315 degree clockwise. So, rotate natin ng 315 degrees. So, ito ang 315 degrees. So, tama nga siya na A is 315 degrees. For letter Z, rotate 270 degree clockwise. So, balik natin si age sa pinakagitna. And then, 270 degree rotation. So, clockwise. Yan. 270 degree clockwise. So, tama nga na si Z. Then, balik ulit natin sa gitna si age. For letter E, rotate 225 degree clockwise. So, 225 degree. So, si E. For letter L, rotate 180 degree clockwise. So, balik natin si age sa pinakagitna and then rotate ng 180 degree. Yan. So, tama nga na si L. For letter S, rotate 135 degree clockwise. So, balik ulit. 135 degree. So, si S. And for letter T, rotate 90 degree clockwise. Balik ulit si age sa gitna. And then 90 degree. Rotate clockwise. So, si T. And for the last is letter D, rotate 45 degree clockwise. So, rotate 45 degree. So, si D nga. So, for the back of the model, ito yung actual video kung paano nga ba nag-flip yung mga moves for the back of the model. For the back of the model, we have O. So, for the back of the model is more on flipping. Kaya mag-start tayo sa O, which is flip vertically. So, kapag vertically, i-flip natin siyang paganto. So, ito yung guide natin. So, kapag vertically, syempre patayo. So, ayan, i-flip natin. So, si letter O nga. Then, balik natin sa original. For letter M, horizontally. So, horizontally, pag ganyan, yung pag-flip. So, M. Nakabaliktad lang yan, pero M yan, hindi W. W. And for letter N, right diagonal. Balik sa original. So, right diagonal is pag ganito. Pag ganito siya. Ayan. So, letter N yan. Pag ganyan. Letter N. So, tama nga. Na si N is right diagonal. So, balik sa original. For letter C is left diagonal. So, left diagonal is pag ganito naman siya. Ayan. Ito yung pinaka-guide natin. Ayan. Ayan. So, pag ganito siya. So, itupi natin siya ng pag ganon. So, tama nga na si C. Yung left diagonal. And for letter P, between vertical and left diagonal. Between vertical and left diagonal. So, pag ganito siya, between vertical and left diagonal. So, pag ganyan. Kaya tama siya na letter P. For letter I, between horizontal and left diagonal. So, between horizontal and left diagonal. So, pag ganito siya. So, tama nga na si letter I. And then for letter X, between vertical and right diagonal. So, pag ganito. So, tama nga na si letter X. And then for the last letter, for the back of the model is R. So, R is between horizontal and right diagonal. Between horizontal and right diagonal. So, pag ganito siya, pag ganyan siya, so, tama nga na si letter R. For the back, so, for example number 1, so ito yung magi-start ng table natin, which is A operates A or A star A. So, ito yung process kung paano nga ba i-operate yung dalawang A. Let's try A star A or A operates A. So, kung A star A, dapat si A is nakagitna na siya dito. And then, since operate siya sa A, which is, yung A natin is, ang rotation nun is 315 degrees. So, clockwise. So, ikot natin siyang 315 degrees clockwise. So, ito yun, 315 degrees. So, yung A star A or A operates A is Z. So, for the second sample, we have A star Z or A operates Z. Next is we have A star Z. So, ganun ulit kanina. So, A, since A star Z, ilagay muna natin dito yung A. And then, since operates siya sa Z, yung Z kasi is meron siyang 270 degree rotation clockwise. So, i-rotate natin itong A ng 270 degrees. So, yung A operates Z or A star Z is E. Next. So, ito yung record of all possible combination kapag pinagpatuloy natin gawin itong table. So, katulad kanina, A star A is equal siya sa Z, and then A star Z is equal siya sa E. So, tama siya. And then, kapag nga pinagpatuloy natin, ito yung mga possible combination na mabubuo natin. So, ito yung pinaka-table na nabuo natin. Gamit yung mga rotation and flip ng front and back moves. So, to classify this geometric model as a group structure, the following condition must be satisfied. First is close. Second is associative. Third is it has identity element. And for the last one is it has inverse element for all. So let's start with A. It is closed under binary operation because as you can see, the resulting elements are all in the sets. And for associativity of operation or star, we need to rotate this ng 180 degree. So, ito yung 180 degree version. So, rotated na siya ng 180 degree. And, nire-write ko na siya. So, para hindi na siya nakakalito na nakabaliktad yung mga letters. And then, yung second na gagawin is kailangan i-switch yung mga columns. So, para maayos yung column ng pagkasunod-sunod, katulad ng original na table. So, yung una is switch column 6, which is yung 6 natin is si A, to column 2, which is yung 2 natin is si Z. So, yung bagong column 6 natin is si Z, yung bagong column 2 natin is si A. And then, yung pangalawa is switch column 6. Yung column 6 natin is si Z, to column 3 is si T. So, yung bagong column 6 natin is si T, and yung bagong column 3 natin is si Z. So, same process lang hanggang sa matapos. Ang makukuha nating result is ito. So, makikita natin na okay na yung column. So, Hazel, STDOM, and CPIXR. And then, yung pangatlong gagawin natin is mag-switch ng mga row or mag-interchanging ng mga row. So, ito yung mga process. So, switch row 7. Yung row 7 natin is si A, to row 2 is si T. So, yung bagong row 7 natin is si T, and yung row 2 natin is si A. So, ganun uli, kapag sinundan natin tong process na to, ang mabubuo is ito. So, makikita natin na okay na siya, nakaayos na siya, both columns and row. So, kung papansinin natin, itong second rows rearranged, yung pinakalas na ginawa natin, para matignan kung associativity nga ba to, ayan, makikita natin na parehas nga naman sila. So, ito yung pinaka-box ng original table. Makikita natin na parehas. So, now, after performing or interchanging some columns and row, we get the same structure with the original group table. Therefore, the table with the binary operation is associative. And for the G sub 2, we have existence of identity element E. So, dito, in finding the identity elements, let's look for a row that matches the element in the outer top row. So, ayan. And look for a column that matches the element in the outer left column. So, ito. And the intersection of the column and row is the identity element, which is si age. And in this, we have the intersection, which is the identity element, is si age nga. Ito yung naging intersection nilang dalawa. So, therefore, the identity element E is age. So, si age yung identity element natin. So, for G sub 3, existence of inverse element for all, E is equal siya sa age. So, first is age, inverse is age. And A, inverse, so in finding that, so kung titingnan natin, ito kasi si A. And then, hanapin natin yung identity element, which is si age. And then yung katapat nun sa column, which is si D. Kaya A, inverse, is equal siya sa D. So, for Z naman, for Z, ito yung identity element niya. And then yung katapat ng identity element is si T. And then kapag pinagpatuloy natin yung process, ito yung mga inverse element. Ayan, so complete na yan. And then masasabi natin na meron talagang inverse yung bawat isa. So therefore, this table is a group. So yung G sub 16 natin is a group. Kasi nga, it satisfies all the condition. Close under binary operation. It is associative. There is an identity element age which is also found in the set. And lastly is, there is an inverse element for each element.